Hey people, this is me, Eric. Want to drop a little video just to clarify something that been going through this couple of past few days with a client of mine. And so anyway, it differs between 32 and 64-bit access. And so there's a big difference that we're trying to connect a MySQL access to a MySQL table on the MySQL database using the MySQL ODBC connector 3.51, and it wouldn't work properly. So a lot of stuff went around, but eventually it got working again. But the main thing is that okay, this is real basic. It's if you're interested in further in 64-bit technology and all things, ask one of the geeks at Best Buy or somewhere. I'm sure they can. One of the younger kids can explain it a lot better than I will in this video. But here's kind of the basic version. Businesses are going to use 32 bits, okay, for the most part. Access 2010 is the first version that I'm aware of that has a choice between 32 and 64-bit, and by default it uses 32-bit. Uses a 32-bit installation. If you go buy a computer at Best Buy, you're going to get 64-bit because it's got to be cool for anybody that wants to buy an off-the-shelf computer. If you want to buy an off-the-shelf computer, you want to have all the cool gadgets that go along with it, all the cool multimedia stuff. And 64-bit is awesome for that, and I'm sure somebody can explain what 64-bit is, all the great things it can do. But most businesses are interested in business productivity, and 32-bit is just fine. It handles everything perfectly. And so, anyway, this computer that this guy was using had 64-bit Windows installed, and really it should have the Windows 7 32-bit. Okay, and it should have had the Access 32-bit. Okay, so Windows 32-bit, Access 32-bit, connect to your MySQL database with Windows, I think it was 3.51 ODBC adapter. I use a 5.1 version. Hopefully I can put the link down there in the comment area. And excuse me. That's how it worked out. So we were able to connect to the web database. Basically, it was a front end. Okay, on the desktop, you have your database, and you're connected to a website. So you fill out the PHP form, data gets entered into your MySQL database, and then you connect to it from your desktop. You connect to the MySQL database. Okay, easy. So, and then you could link to that table that's on your MySQL database. So, you could basically receive web data and then access it from your desktop. So you have to take a web order and then you access it through your desktop database, and you're good to go. But make sure you're working with. Make sure to pay attention to that. To make sure that to verify what version of Access you're using, go to that little Office button, go to Access Options, and then Help or About, and you can see what version, like 32-bit or 64-bit. And you want to make sure that you're using 32-bit, and then you can do the same thing with Windows. You can do you can go to Control Panel, the System, and the About, and then see if you're running 32 or 64-bit. And hopefully you're running 32. And this is for a business user, okay, or somebody that's doesn't have all the cool gadgets. You know, if you really want a multi-vending machine, go and hook yourself up with one, but don't use it for business stuff. Okay, have two machines separate. They're cheap enough. So anyway, I hope this is helpful, and I wanted to share that with you because some of you are probably trying to figure out, scratching your head, pulling your hair out, trying to figure out why is my thing just not working. Well, that's probably why. So anyway, thanks for watching, and make sure you visit the link VBA How To on the vbahowto.com and the description box below, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.